Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. If you are new, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. That would mean a lot to me. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and go head over to my Instagram to see more behind the scenes sort of things. And I also have a personal Instagram if you want to go over there. It is Liz Rose Lifestyle. I'll link everything, all my socials, down in the description box, as well as everything I use on my face, because I don't show you everything I use, so make sure to check that out down below. Today we are reviewing these beauties. So I do go more in depth in the video, so I'm just gonna jump straight into it, I think. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look and what I think of these new products, then keep on watching. So, I'm in the middle of doing my face now, but I thought I'd jump on quickly before I finish the rest of my face, because I thought I'd do my face first before my eye makeup. So, I'm so excited to use these. Can I open them? Yes. So, if you don't know already, if you are living under a rock, Plouise came out with 3 new pastel shades in her bases. So they're just the basic bases. So you have Yummy Yellow right here, you have Cute in Coral, and then you have Summer Blues. Oh my god, look how gorgeous they look. I will pop a montage of swatches and stuff like that over this, but we're first going to use the Cute in Coral because this is one of my favourite shades to put as a blush. So we're going to try this as blush today. So I'll pop on the screen a swatch of it so you can see. So that is going to be way too much. Oh. I have used her bases as blush before, but I haven't used this sort of colour before, so I'm not sure what look I'm going to be doing today, but I know I want to play around with the blue and yellow on my eyes, so I'm going to incorporate the coral by using it as a blush. So I'm just going to, like I normally would, put it on the back of my sponge. I have blended it out a little bit, and you really don't need a lot. So, oh my god. It's kind of going to be your brighter blush, but that's okay. Oh, that looks so beautiful. So it's not as harsh as the other colours, I would say. Or maybe I've just taken a little bit less. But you can build them up, which I love. I am applying quite a lot because I want to build the colour up, and obviously it doesn't last as long as everything else on the face, which I say in most of my videos. Blush doesn't last as long. I'm going to pop some on my nose. Oh my god, I absolutely love that. I might look crazy at the moment, but oh my god, I am just in love. I hope you can see that. Oh, stunning. I absolutely love these shades of blush. What do you think? If you do try this as blush, let me know in the comments below what you thought. I haven't had breakfast yet and my stomach is rumbling. Okay, so now I've done that, I'm going to do the rest of my face and pop some Plouise, where is it? Number 2 base on, like I normally would, and I'll be right back. Let's zoom you in. It's so windy outside today. Okay, so I went off camera and did the rest of my face. Ugh. Now I'm going to go into, dropping them, these 2 babies. Okay, so I just popped a little bit of bronzer in my crease and on my lids and stuff, just to add a little bit of definition, you know, because I don't want anything too much. So the first one I'm going to go in with is the blue, which is Summer Blues. Just going to pop this on the back of my hand. Again, I'll pop up the swatch on the screen. Oh, such a gorgeous baby blue. She has two other blues, which is more of a light blue and a normal blue, but this one is your proper baby blue. So what I'm going to do now is, get distracted by my phone. Okay, what I've decided to do is a blue wing. Bear with me. And then yellow on the bottom. Fingers crossed this works. But the only thing is I'm going to have to set it with some sort of eyeshadow. This kind of reminds me a little bit of like a pastel-y, purpley blue. Ooh, so good. Right. I'm going to do it quite thick so we can see it. So it's very opaque, it's very bright. I'm not going to be able to speak whilst doing this, sorry, but I'm doing it quite thick like they do at the academy. You can see when I apply it, it's kind of streaky, but then when it dries down, it sort of like goes back to like its opacity. This line just keeps getting thicker and thicker. Now that I've got that base down, so that's the shade. It's absolutely beautiful. Love that shade so much. Now I'm just going to try and do a wing. I have quite, I wouldn't say I've got hooded eyes, but I have quite a lot of wrinkles in my eye, on my eyelids. If that makes any sense, but yeah, it does make it tricky to do eyeliner. By the way, I'm not taking it too far down on the lower lash line because obviously I'm going to be putting the yellow. Okay, I'm happy with that. Just need to do the other eye exactly the same. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now, I'm going to jump into the Beauty Bay EYN Bright Mattes palette, and I'm going to take the smallest amount of powder ever, but I'm going to take the shade Paradise, which is this blue here, but I think you can see what the shade looks like there of the base. I've tried my best to make them somewhat match. So I'm just taking the same brush that I did the liner with, and I'm hoping this isn't going to change the shade. Okay, so now we're going to do the yellow. So this is Yummy Yellow. It's such a pale, unique yellow. Again, I'll put swatches up, so I don't know how I'm going to set this. Even if I just set it with a translucent powder, that's a good shout. First I'm going to take a liner brush and I'm going to pop that in my waterline. Oh, it's just brightened up my eye nicely. So I'm going to take a really small brush. I'm just going to buff that under my eyes to try and get some colour. It isn't the most opaque shade. You do need to build it up slightly. Really? Okay, so my eyes are just shit. So I'm apparently going to go in and do a little bit of graphic liner now. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, I found a better way to set the eyeliner with translucent powder. So if you don't want to get rid of that shade and you want to keep that shade, then go in with translucent powder, and also if you don't want it to transfer, use translucent powder. Again, the yellow isn't really opaque, but it's looking decent. It does need a few layers, so I'm going to go in with some more. That's the eyes. I don't know how I feel about the yellow, but I'm going to go put some eyelashes on and see what happens, basically. Okay, so I went off camera and did the rest of my face, eyelashes, stuff like that. If you want to know what I put on my face and I didn't put in the video, everything will be listed and linked in the description box down below, so go check that out. So, my overall thoughts on these new beauties here. So the coral shade is absolutely stunning, love it on the cheeks. I just got to try it on the eyes now, so definitely a 10 from me, to be honest. Gorgeous shade, and the pigment is really good as well. The blue, again, stunning, such a gorgeous shade, and I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a baby blue. And it is really pigmented as well. Like I said, it's a little bit streaky at first just because it is a light shade, but once it dries down it goes to a nice colour. And then the yellow. So this is probably my least favourite in the collection. I say collection, but like new launch. Just because it is very pale and it's very light, but I don't know, it does look nice. I think it would look nicer with a shadow on top, but like I said, I don't want to make it too yellow because obviously this is a pastel yellow, so I wanted to keep it as is, if you get what I mean. So yeah, this is still a really good product and I probably would use it again. Obviously I would just pop a shadow on top of this just to make it a little bit more vibrant and stand out a little bit more. So definitely recommend all three. I probably recommend these two more over this one, but again, I just got to try them out a little bit more as well. That is my overall review on these products. I hope I've given you a little bit more information on those products, and of course like seeing the look of them, so you get to see some swatches and stuff. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was a little bit informative than my usual videos. I normally just throw on some makeup and just chat to you guys, but I enjoy doing these review videos as well. So let me know down below if you enjoyed this type of video in the comments down below. Let me know any video ideas you want to see from me as well. I want to know what you guys want to see. So yeah, definitely let me know. If you aren't already, guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. That would mean the world to me. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And go head over to my Instagram as well, because I will be posting, you know, the makeup looks of this look. I will be posting a photo of this look over on there. So yeah, go check that out and follow. And you can see like more behind the scenes sort of things as well, especially my personal Instagram, which I'll link down below as well, which is Liz Rose Lifestyle. So it's a little bit more chill over there, less makeup-y. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, guys, or evening, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.